Hi and welcome to my channel. This is Cheryl, and in today's video I am doing an assembly line of some Christmas tree ornaments, and we're doing Christmas in May. It's never too early to start producing some product for your craft shows, so us artists are always one step ahead when it comes to holidays. So in this video I am doing time-lapsed assembly of these cute little Christmas trees, and they're very simple to do. Beginners could probably do this. It's just two pieces. The smallest piece would probably be the trunk, and it would probably be the hardest piece for you to cut. But it's always best to do more than one so that you can do it in an assembly line. So I cut all my trees out at one time. I cut all my trunks out at one time, foiling and grinding, burnishing. It's all like an assembly line, so it goes much quicker, and time is money. So you want to produce as much as you can in a shorter period of time. So doing it in an assembly line manner, it will save you tons of time because you're using the same tool and you don't have to search for everything. It's all being done at one time. So I have all my trees already foiled and burnished, and we're burnishing the tree trunks, and we'll be assembling it soon. And I didn't like the way that foil was on there, so can always fix it. Now's the time to do it. So I have 6 of these cute little Christmas trees, and I'm using my pattern so that they're all the same, but you don't have to. Pretty much tacking it up so they stay together, and doing it this way, 1, 2, 3, all 6 of them are done. Flip them over, do the other side. And now we tin them. And you see, you go from one to the other. It makes so much more sense to do it this way if you're making more than one. The edges, keeping our edges horizontal so that gravity will help us get a nice round bead on the edges. Okay, so we have them all done. You could leave them just like this, put hangers on them, and they're good to go. However, I like to embellish my pieces, and so I did some coiling with some 18 gauge bare copper wire, and I have these little snowflake charms that I wanted to put on them. So I just kind of twisted my wire around and figured out how I wanted them. I've got two different ways I did them. And then I tinned my wire after I got my coil the way I wanted it. However, it would probably be easier to do the tinning while the wire is straight and then coil it, but I do everything the hard way. Unfortunately. But yeah, I didn't think to tin the wire beforehand. Anyway, tacking them up onto the piece and then doing some decorative dotting with the solder. And I have a little star that I created out of the wire, tinning it. And that is what I'm going to be using for the hanger. Solder that little peg into one of the side seams, straightening out my star a little bit, and then doing some decorative dotting. So please like, share, and subscribe to the video. Leave some comments if you want, and hope this helps you. There they are. Thanks for watching.